Keep the eye on Leo. Kick him up. He was on a rooster? A rooster?
Yeah, it was a rooster right here. This flew up to the west.
Dude, that was your bird. Rooster! Oh. He's running. Hen. Oh, he's moving. Now he's on. Good boy, Leo. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, get ready. You shoot this way. That's how you shoot him. Good boy, Leo. Dead bird. Dead bird. Oh, yeah. Now these next clips are where my gun starts kind of crapping out on me. Getting birdie. Oh. Good boy, Leo.
I wanted to be involved. Oh, bunny.
Rooster. That was all you.
Yeah.
Good job. Here.
Rooster.
Shoot. Stupid. Here, Leo. Oh, that tree was not solid. I about went through that tree, dude.
I'm gonna shoot at him.
No. Crowing. Oh, they're right there.
If you enjoyed these types of videos, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps a lot. And if you really want to, leave a comment.